What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It is your boy Lex Money. In today's video we need to go and check out our base portfolio. Alright guys, the base portfolio has seen better days. It has seen better days. Now, something that a lot of you guys are going to ask me, I get it in the comment section all the time: have I sold anything? Am I selling anything yet? The answer is no, not yet, guys. I haven't sold any of my base portfolio. A lot of these we've rode down, okay? So you're looking at things like Alien Base, which we'll get into in a second. Degen, not looking too good either. Base Brett, it's a meme. Okay, the only thing that is still up right now is going to be Aero, because we got such a great average buy price. So you're looking at these prices, we need to look into the charts and see if we're like breaking down from technical structure. If now is a good time to be getting your average buy price down, guys, because look, a lot of these we can get, technically we can get Alien Base 50% off. Okay, wanted to start with this, guys. I only look at charts daily because of you guys, okay, because of everybody who has subscribed to the channel, who's waiting for the updates, right? If I didn't upload videos, there's no way I'd be looking at the small time frame. I wouldn't be looking at the daily. Okay, there's no way I would be looking at the daily. I'd be looking at weekly, looking at monthly, coming back and trying to make like macro plays. Now, sometimes the best thing to do is just take some time away, step away, and stop stressing about every single candle. I know it's easier said than done because it's so easy to check the crypto charts 24/7. But really, that's what I've been doing, to be honest, guys. Apart from, you know, checking up on the coins that I update with you guys, a lot of my bags, you know, I don't cover every single coin that I hold on the channel. A lot of them I haven't even really looked at for a while, because when I'm looking at Bitcoin, I'm looking at ETH, I'm looking at Total 3 as a whole. In terms of sentiment, the sentiment is pretty awful right now. You guys, pause the video. Let me know how you're feeling. Be honest. Be honest. It's fine. If you're feeling it, you're feeling the pain, go hash it out in the comments. Everybody's here to help each other feel better, right? Bloomberg, they should be called Doomberg. Bloomberg and now Doom posting the ETH Bitcoin chart right at like sentiment extremes, okay? Reminds me of the 4-year cycle Bitcoin is dead bottom post by media outlets. If you guys are new to the market and you hadn't survived that whole last bear market, you hadn't rid from the bear into the bull, back into the bear, back into this bull, you guys have no idea how hard it's going to be in the bear market to hold on and hold your conviction in crypto. People were even losing conviction in Bitcoin in the bear market. So imagine how hard it must be for altcoins. And you're seeing things like this. This is just one example that I saw on X today. I'm done. I've sold all my ETH. Making second foundations was a breaking point. All these reasons. ETH is meant to be a DeFi chain. It's not. It's overvalued. I'm moving to Cardano. Okay. Now, I hold Cardano, so flame me in the comments. I don't care. But because I've diversified my portfolio, I don't need to worry about what ETH is doing. I don't need to worry about what Cardano is doing. I don't need to worry about XRP is doing. I don't need to worry about what Solana's doing, because I'm positioned in all of them. So get out of the cult mentality of you must only hold one coin. Okay, that's why I'm not selling my ETH, I'm not selling my ADA, I'm not selling my XRP, I'm not selling my Sol yet. And a lot of the time they like hedge against each other. So yesterday Sol had a great day, so, you know, it wasn't too bad in my portfolio. But when you are like only into one coin and then you're like, you know, at this point in the market, I'm going to go sell at the ETH Bitcoin absolute low since 2021, doesn't make sense to me, guys. And people have also been commenting saying that Aerodrome's dead. Well, guess what? They're climbing to new all-time highs. Over the past 4 months, daily fees have soared, with 26 days surpassing 1 million. A notable 1.5 million day on Sunday, 19th of Jan, which just went last Sunday, guys, trending towards all-time high epoch fees. Aerodrome is killing pretty much every other swap. It is the one-stop shop for people swapping on base. So that's why we're positioned heavy in Aero, and we go and we check out the Aero chart, guys. You need to see this. Where we are, we're back into the key support. Okay, so we drew this out a long time ago. We could come all the way back down to maybe 80 cents if ETH does continue to bleed. Myself and the members club positioned ourselves on an ETH hedge short. We're already in profit. We're up like 40% profit on that hedge short. We can use that to rotate back into ETH or back into our top base plays. But it could be something similar to what happened last time, where we had this massive rally up and then sentiment is getting absolutely destroyed. come back down to the peak of this falling wedge, and then we had the breakout. So it looks like we're having a same sort of thing. We're still holding a higher low. Okay, so this yellow line would be ideal for us to hold anywhere in the key support. Yellow line to white line would be fantastic. This would mean that we're coiling up until February. And I said to many of you guys on the channel, like, a lot of our coins are looking like they're primed to coil until Feb, maybe even March as well, guys. Now, how am I going to make the most out of these moves? I'm going to open some chickies, guys. If you haven't used Pokpok yet, I always go on about them because they're fantastic. They've got a new roadmap. They've got a lot of bullish stuff coming out over the next quarter. And they're constantly updating you guys. So there's going to be a project that I get into in a second that they're nowhere near as on it as Pokpok Protocol. And you need to be investing into projects like this. Now, not only am I invested in Pegg, but I'm actually also using their platform, guys. Introducing the newest breed and the launch of option spreads on Pokpok.io. Have you used it? What are spreads? Water chickens, you ask. In summary, a spread is a contract that allows traders to reduce their cost of opening an option, but in turn, it caps the profit potential. So yeah, you're going to be capped on profit, but for everybody, you already know how it works, right? If you open a POC, you can feed it over like 3 to 7 days. If you feed it over 3 days, then you're going to get it cheaper overall. If you feed it over 7, it's going to be slightly more expensive, but it allows you, like, say, I don't know, you put in a call option, you're going to say that ETH is going to go up now, you want to make some money on ETH, and then it absolutely nukes. You only have to pay like the first third or seventh of that option, which is fantastic. Marginalized options is amazing. That's why so many people are profitable on Pokpok. The pay-as-you-go chickens offer flexible payment terms, as I did just say, and you can observe the market and manage risk on a daily basis if you do want to. If you look at the spread chickens or water chickens, they provide a low cost option for farmers looking to express market views with limited downside. So again, you're going to be able to cap your losses. It does cap your returns as well, but they're giving you, like, this makes it so much easier than traditional stock options, guys. And now, guys, if you go and you check out the chart, super undervalued right now, like super undervalued. $1.54 for Pegg. This thing went up to nearly $6, guys. Okay, we're on a mad discount. If you missed this massive move, we're back at the beginning. Okay, so what happens when the market picks up, when ETH picks up, once they do release some of their bullish catalysts that are coming out in a few months, I think we're going to have another monster move like this, guys. So don't fade Pegg, position yourself. Now, someone also asked me about Alien Base. They were like, why hasn't the Alien Base team posted on X in a while? I was thinking, what, have they not? And they haven't. Okay, so, you know, it's a bit disappointing. However, I do want to say, even though maybe they're not posting as much as they should, just because a project with actual utility is not posting on X maybe as much as they should do, yeah, that's kind of like rookie mistake 101 for them, because obviously you guys, the community, you want to be seeing them address things, or at least show that they're active, especially when the price is like super down. But it doesn't mean that they're not working in the background, guys. Okay, they're still getting a lot of volume. If we go and check out, let's actually check out the website. We go and check it out here, guys. Still $12 million in 24-hour volume. We'll keep an eye on this. 59 million TVL market cap, still super low. Liquidity nearly 4 mil, so it's not bad at all, guys. A lot of people are trading like the base small cap coins through Alien Base. That's kind of what they use it for, considering it is super fast and cheap. But we'll keep a close eye on this. 60 million TVL, 12 million 24-hour volume. But you check out the chart, guys, and you remember when I made the video up here, people were saying to like buy into Alien Base at like 20, maybe a little bit higher than 20, and I said, look, this is the demand zone. We could go all the way down to 11 cents. If you watch that video, let me know in the comments right now. But I wasn't going to pick up anything until we got to this demand zone. We're hovering just above this demand zone. This could go down to 11 cents, guys. Okay, bear that in mind. This could easily go down to 11 cents, because guess what? We're back at the bottom area of the demand zone. So when you like have foresight and you try and plan these things ahead of time, people will be like, why are you not bearish, Lex? Are you ever bearish? There's some coins that I've let go before, but I planned and I said to you guys, if we hit 11 cents, that's just the bottom area of the demand zone. We're literally right there now. Now Degen has moved to Sol. You can start trading now on Meteora AG, and Degen is an OFT on Solana. via Layer 0 Labs, so you can bridge it over now, guys. So I don't know if this is good or not, if I'm honest with you. I've seen when projects try and bridge, usually in the beginning it can be quite hard for them to pick up a lot of steam. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this one. I think maybe they're trying to capture some of the Solana hype. You check out the chart, come all the way back down from where we were end of last year, guys, when we said it's go time here, had that massive breakout, boom. The only thing that I will say is, again, similar to pretty much all the other alts, it looks like we could be coiling until February. Okay, so we're going to have a decision time around February. Again, this thing's a meme coin, guys. So, you know, I don't have as much conviction in Degen as maybe I would with like Aero or with Alien Base or with Moonwell. Doesn't mean that I don't think it could potentially do well and it could have a monster breakout. It definitely could. And then the last coin I'm going to do is going to be Moonwell. I'll do some other coins, whatever that top comments are, I'll do them in the next one, like as like a dedicated. I know some of you guys, you wanted a Aerobud video, you wanted a Ski Mask Dog video. If you want that, subscribe to the channel. And let me know that you do want that, guys. Look at Moonwell. It's at 5 cents. Nearly, well, it's at 4.3 cents. We're at our initial pickup area. Again, I will say this to you in every video. It's very similar to what happened to Aerodrome. Mass hype, mass euphoria, mass FUD down here. Could we be playing out something like this, guys? Potentially. Which would be absolutely disgusting, because it would mean that we actually do coil up until March, which would be awful because the sentiment would be truly absolutely fucked by that point. However, the longer the coil, the bigger the explosive move, and it could bring us to that target of around 15 cents that we did want initially. That's going to be what, a 400% move from maybe the lower areas of this descending or falling wedge. You guys let me know what you think, but I would be preparing mentally for us to be doing something like this. We test the range highs, people think we're breaking out, have another dump down. This is going to really shake out the masses for Moonwell. However, total market size is still approaching 1 billion. It's not looking too bad. It's a quick base update for all of you guys. If you made it this far, let me know what base coin you want me to cover, in the next video. If you want to support my journey to 15k subs, I appreciate all of you. Click that subscribe button. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.